Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can adjust the speed of your Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, within Instagram by itself, the only thing that you can change is the speed of the Reels you're currently uploading. So let me just go into the Reel creation menu right now. So once I'm here, I'm going to just tap on the speed icon at the left hand sidebar. First, I'm going to select the length. I'll select it to 90 seconds, and then you can change the speed from 0.3 to 3 times the speed. So I'll select 3 times, and then I'm going to record just a simple video like this, and I'm going to record it for a couple of seconds. Just let it play. And now if I go into next, and if I go into edit video, as you can see, I definitely recorded it for about 6 seconds, so it truncated it to 2 seconds, or just condense it, and the speed of the video has increased. Now, this is pretty much the only thing that you can change when it comes to speed on Reels. If you want to view Reels in a different speed, Reels that already exist, you can go ahead and download your own Reels, or if you're watching Reels of other users, you can screen record them or download them if the download option has been made available, and then you can download them and edit them within an editing software. Or you can try your luck with some Instagram additions or third-party apps if they help. Not sure how secure they are, but you can try them out if you're feeling desperate for this. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.